Hello everybody, back with another cleaning video. Today we're going to be using Pine. Now I can't see on here anywhere where it says the pine oil content. 10 times more pine oil than the leading brand. I had a bottle of this several years ago in an older packaging and it said 30% pine oil, which I highly doubt it's got that much. So 10 times more than what? I don't know what that is. So I'm going to get my gallon bucket of water mixed up and we'll get started. As usual, if you've watched these videos before, 1 capful of cleaner. Okay, that might indeed have some pine oil in it. Because it sure turned the water cloudy. And that's got a real nice pine scent. Reminiscent of vintage pine sol, but not exactly. It's kind of sweeter scent. Let's get started. Now this grout, it is sealed so it stays clean. We'll go one more time for good measure. And that is done. And we definitely picked up some dirt. So once again, this is a look at cleaning the floor with Pine. Thank you for watching.